Welcome back everyone. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at Boolean selections and masking tools. So both of these tools allow us to apply specific transformations to selected objects. So here you can see that we have several options over here. So we have two overlapping circles. So if I select both of them, then the Boolean selection arrives at the top over here. So once we select the Boolean groups, and you can see there are four different types of Boolean selection. First we have the union selection. So this unifies both of my shapes. And then we have the subtract selection. So this basically subtracts the selection that's under. So if I undo that, so this is the top circle. So this will be subtracted from my bottom shape. So if I subtract the selection, so that overlapping part is now gone. Next to that, we have the next Boolean option, which is intersect selection. So this basically keeps the intersected parts. So whichever overlapping parts are there are going to be kept. Next, we have the exclude selection. So this basically excludes any part that is being overlapped. You can see that the overlapping parts are excluded. Now, Boolean selections and masking groups are not permanent changes. So if I select this, you can see that I can still move it around. So these are non-destructive options. So I can move them around like this. Alright, next we have the masking options. So let's zoom in. Utilizing masks, we can create very unique shapes like these and unique looks like these. So we can have avatars and we can have icon shapes like these. So I'm using an alpha channel over here. Now let's start simple and we'll simply create an avatar. So we start with an image, and here I have an image, and then let's say I wanted to create an avatar. So I simply select the circle tool and I draw a circle, and let's increase the size to our image, and this is where I want it. So whichever shape I wanted as my mask, I want to put it behind. So let's send it to the back, and once it's set to the back, then I can simply select the masking tool. So I can simply select both of them. Let's select both of these objects, and we're going to apply the masking tool over here. Once that applied, you can see that I can now move around my image and I can set it properly. So now this looks right. So we can have a very easy portrayal of avatars like this. And we can also create more complicated shapes like this and these over here. And we have discussed all of these in our paid course. Feel free to check that out.